Hello everyone, dear Mr. One more time. Okay, so in PCS Global, we are providing the training in our EILP process. We are giving you the employment in our EILP process, and there are huge candidates who have joined through this process. So, how they get to know about this and why they have joined this process, what are the benefits they are getting from this process? Today, we are going to discuss about that with our another candidate. His name is Malati. Okay. Hi, Malati.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah, can you tell me about yourself and from where you get to know about this EILP process?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Malti. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay.
Um, yeah, coming to my educational qualifications, I did completed my post graduation from Bageshwari College of Engineering. Coming to
Okay.
my skill set, I'm having some knowledge on like Java and um, Spring Boot, RESTful web services also.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes, as a fresher, actually, I don't have any IT experience, but
Mm-hmm.
this is a platform to explore my skills and to
No
explore
issue,
my
no
skill
issue. Let him do that.
to explore my skills and uh, I hope this is the best platform to me
Mhm.
to get a job.
Okay. So from where you get to know about this process? Because our ELP process is going on through pan-India basis. So have you got any mail from our side or
Yeah, yes, yes, ma'am. I got a mail through like on Naukri.
you get a mail from Naukri? Okay.
Yeah,
How many
Naukri.
days you spend in this process?
Uh, Actually, I joined on July 12th.
July 12th, we have joined. Okay, okay. So
Yes,
20 days. In 18 to 20 days, you have completed. So,
yes.
Malti, tell me one thing. How many classes you got from our side?
Like around, I think 10 classes.
10 classes you have already got. So, what
Yes.
we are giving you, whatever training we are providing you, or what are the study materials we are providing you, is it helpful for you?
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
No,
Come
no, no,
again.
no issue, no issue. Just, it's okay. So, your what about the class? Tell me one thing about the classes. Our instructors, tech instructors, who are taking the classes, like who is your tech mentor, like Shubhabruto or any
Yes,
other?
Subhabrata Bose sir and
Okay,
one more class, SQL class.
SQL class. Who is taking the
For the Java, Subhabrata sir.
for Java? Shubhabruto. Okay. So, if they are taking the classes, if you feel any doubt, are they clearing that doubt in proper way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Actually, yeah, he's a well mentor, actually.
okay.
Yeah.
So you are
So,
getting all kind of support from our side. So
yes,
have you
ma'am.
got your documents? What we have said that our
Yes,
official documents and all.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
at the time of joining. Okay, so
Hmm.
Maldi, what is your experience? Because you have spent 15 days, right? So do
Hmm.
you feel this process will help you to grow?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. It will very helpful for me to get a
Okay,
job. Yeah, I'm a
okay.
confident. Yes, ma'am.
You are confident. You are already employed. It's not that you will get job after having this training because you have already removed the fresher tag from your profile, right? After
Yes,
joining
yes,
PCS Global. Now, for
yes.
better opportunity, you are getting the trainings, and in PCS Global, we are giving you that to build you. We are giving you the training and all documents and whatever is needed to be a candidate, an experienced candidate. You are getting that from our side. So, have you attended any Saturday town hall?
Town hall, no, ma'am.
You have not
Actually,
attended yet. Okay, you are
no.
going to attend.
Actually, yeah, I'm having a kid, so I'm not able to.
Okay, okay. It's difficult for you to join.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, Valdi, tell me one thing. You are getting the training. How many people are in your team?
Around sometimes 15 to 17 or join.
15 to
Sometimes
70
30.
people. Okay, sometimes
And
30.
sometimes 30. Yeah, sometimes only 5 members.
Okay, that depends on which date they're joining and all those things. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
great.
But you are providing recording sessions, it will be more helpful for
Okay, so you're
us.
not getting the recording sessions, we're uploading it on in
Yes.
our YouTube.
I'm getting, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it will be more helpful for us.
True.
If I miss, yeah, if I miss
If you miss
the
any class,
class.
then
Yeah,
you will get the knowledge from that also. Okay.
yeah.
So thank you, Mazi, for giving your valuable time. Okay, I will connect you to any
Thank
other
you.
time. So right now, that's it. Okay. So this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the
Thank you.
session.
Sorry
This is
for the.
no, no, no. It's absolutely okay. If you're a mother, it's your responsibility to take care of your child, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for the
Okay.
support also.
So bye for now. Okay.
Bye, bye, madam. Thank you. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Most welcome, dear.